I guess it's about time to have a look at my computer room, fully functional, and how it actually turned out. So here we see underneath, there's a foot warmer heater there, a Herman Miller chair that's made largely from spare parts picked off around the neighbourhood from the throwouts, with a few new parts added. We see here the workstation that I use for working programs from the mill and general graphics and so on, and doing videos like this. You can see here I've left one of the doors off so you can see a new NBM router, pretty much a bit better than before perhaps. And then we come up and we see, come back around here and see that we have some 7.1 Dolby speaker system. The desk, so it's a remarkable lack of cables, a new monitor, a new mechanical keyboard, a microphone with some acoustic barriers to stop reflection off the glass windows, and then we have here what's basically my docking station for my tablet and phone and the little camera I'm actually using, some side speakers for the 7.1. This is a scanner with, it's got a scanning light that goes along the top and the lid at the same time as the one under the platen, so you can do 35mm slides to archive the family photos and things, and it'll do colour negatives as well. Cheap printer, the amplifier for the sound system, and the other side speaker. Well, these are the centre rear speakers, and a 3D plotter. And so you can see it's actually turned out pretty well, with one exception. We come back here, it turned out my videos had abysmal sound. So you can see the walls are now all covered with acoustic panels, 10mm acoustic damping, and up the top we have a set of clouds which I made myself, so more or less the whole ceiling. They've got 90mm of acoustic batting inside them, and the frames are made in some spare form ply I had, so that very heavy frames on it, which seem to work pretty well. The difference is astounding. When I come into the room, suddenly it's like talking into an anechoic chamber, and you'll notice the difference in the recording sound. Anyway, that's about it. That's how well it all worked. It came out pretty much as expected, and so I hadn't anticipated the acoustic problem, and I hadn't anticipated having, once I had the nice acoustics, I thought, why not just put a fancy Dolby system in. Well, it's not really that fancy, but it's makes this room sort of complete for everything: media, video editing, computer programming, CNC milling machine programs, the whole works. Okay, well that's the update. I think I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching.